Saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Said I do not know. Silence like the cancer grows. The words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. When my words like silence raindrops fell. The echo in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the signs were shouting its warning in the words that it was forming. And the signs said the words of the prophets have been written on the subway walls and tenement halls. Whispered the sound of silence. Good. I lost my heater again. I recorded the cat's reactions to most of it. Usually they're pretty funny. I was hoping I could get one to hang around with me. Come on. This little big rat. There it is. Ugh. At least I got propane fuel. I know one thing. I figured out that Randy and I aren't going anywhere. As much as sometimes I want to, I just can't do it. One, it wouldn't be very smart. We care about each other too much. Yeah, I know I was going to have a little scruffle or two and everything. There's always going to be a little nippy and whiny. The guy's always going to be a little bit pushy. It's kind of explains a relationship sometimes. Nippy and whiny and pushy. But anyway, I wanted to sing that one. I wanted to see Stairway to Heaven. But I wanted lyrics with it. But I figure I can write this. It's the first time I promoted. I was hoping I could get one of the cats to hang around with me. Oh, I haven't.